ಹಾಯ್ ಹಾಯ್, ಬೇಗ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ PUC ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೇಗ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಲೈವ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು. ಬೇಗ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಹಲೋ ಬ್ರೋ, ಹಾಯ್ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಕೆ, ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ವೈಬ್ಸ್ ಹಾಯ್. ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗೋರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೇಗ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ PUC ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲೈವ್ ಅಂತ. ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 1 or 2 minutes ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಲೈವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 5 minutes ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಲೈವ್. ಸೊ ಬೇಗ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಲೈವ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗೋರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೇಗ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ನಿರಂಜನ್ ಕುದ್ರಾಳ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್. ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈವೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸುಮಾರಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ವೀಕ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು 4 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮುಗಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಮಂತ್ ಮುಗ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಮಂತ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಗ ಓದ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಓದೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ರೀಸನಿಂದ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಸೋ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು. ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಸಿತ್ತು. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೈ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ by looking at the question, we have to remember the things, we have to understand the concepts. Through that, we have to write the formulas. Not to own formulas, we have to alternate some changes in that formula. So that may brings us difficulty. And even though when we are solving the problems, it makes us very like difficulty, because we don't have any same formula to apply everywhere. We have to do every time, we have to use the new one formula. That is like no, I can't do like that. We happen, it feels. So physics is hard like that. I mean, it is not actually hard, it is easy when we understand the concept in thoroughly. When we have to understand the concept thoroughly, then we have to apply that. Whatever we have understood, we have to apply while doing the formulas or numericals. That's why physics brings somewhat toughness. But when we come to the NEET, this happens. But in PUC board, actually physics is not at all tough things. Like some the students like they do bahats, that is not a good thing. But in physics also we can do that. Some people will do that. No, okay, you people please don't go through that. Please go with the understanding. When what happens, if you understand the concept means, you can solve the competitive questions also, and you can do the theory exam also with confident. There will be no like hesitation, nothing like that will be there. So understand the concepts in physics. Not only in physics, in all the subject we have to understand the concept. But in physics, understanding the concept is mandatory. So we should not do like tomorrow I will read it, day after tomorrow I will read. And one more thing I have to say, that please give a 1 hour time daily to physics subject, because it is too much important. When we come to the rank calculation, if 5 members got the same ranking in CT or NEET, they will first prefer the physics subject. If we got more marks in physics compared to other 4 people, we will be in the first, we will be in the leading. So that's why it's important to learn physics, or it is important to do physics hardly. So without wasting time, I'll enter to the topics. This is just an introduction about the physics. So we all know that uh, what already in the above previous videos I have told you that please go through the pattern, means blueprint. If you go with that, what happens, you will not be getting like a hard or toughness. It will be too easy, like you will be knowing the question paper, or almost 50% question paper you will be knowing by that pattern. So always go with the pattern or blueprint. So this year means 25, 26, it is upcoming batch 24, 25 PUC students who are all there. They don't have like a fixed blueprint. Before that we will be having a fixed blueprint, so that we can read easily. But now what happened, they will release 3 model question paper from each subject. For each model question paper we will be having a different blueprint. So by combining these 3 blueprints, we can conclude a single blueprint. Have done it, and I will explain to you now. So what is the happening here? We cannot go with the same blueprint, or I will read only blueprint 1, I will read blueprint 2, I will read blueprint 3. It's not like that. So we have to go with all the modules. That's what the situation is. So doing this, see, by doing this, we can conclude by we can conclude for the 25 26 also. When after releasing the three model question paper, I will do the same thing for you people. So here I am explaining the 24 25 batch students blueprint. Now I have done the single blueprint by combining the three blueprints. So let me explain you. So when you start reading, almost all the lectures will do like that. In a pattern, first electrostatic, electric charges, electric charges, electrostatic, current, electricity, moving charges, magnetism, EMI, AC, EM waves, ray optics, wave optics. Some lectures will do ray optics, wave optics at class after completing the all lessons. So some will do the early. It's according to their convenience. Let us don't talk about them. So let me start. While you are reading with the each like a single chapters, please go with the pattern from today itself. It's too much important and it will make you very easy to read. So when you are reading with the first chapter, electric charges and what is that chapter name, electric charges and fields, please go with that. Please read the 1 marks questions. MCQs you have to read from all the chapters. There is no other choice from that. You have to read compulsory one MCQs from all the chapters and fill the blanks also. So 3 marks questions are too much important from the electric charges and fields. We cannot say that this question is compulsory for 2 marks, this question is compulsory for 3 marks. They can combine and give also. They can reduce something and give it for the 2 marks. They can add something to the 2 marks and give as a 3 marks question. So better while you are reading with the 2 marks question specifically or 3 marks question specifically, go with 2 also. Read 2 marks questions also, read 3 marks questions also. It is too much beneficial. When it comes to the uh, when it comes to the 5 marks questions, most of the times they will ask the numericals, but better to go with the numericals and theory questions also. So it may help you a lot. And don't forget to read MCQs while reading this. For this chapter, need purpose, MCQs purpose, please go through the other sample, other publications also, because from the NCRT what they given, that is not enough. That is like a basics for a NEET when we are reading with NEET purpose. We have extra formulas there also. We have extra something not out of the syllabus. Within the syllabus some alterations we have to do for NEET exams. So please refer other publications for NEET purpose. Then while coming to the second chapter, it is also most same. One chapter, first mark 1 marks questions, 3 marks questions, both are compulsory. 5 marks questions, they may ask the numericals or they may ask the theory questions. I think probably from second chapter they will ask the 3 marks questions. Okay, for 3 marks questions, theory questions, 5 marks question. So go with the numericals also, but the theory questions are too much important in second chapter. Here also for NEET purpose we have to go with the other publications. It is mandatory. It is compulsory. We have to go with the other publications other than the NCRT for NEET purpose. So when it comes to the current electricity chapter theory, it is a dead disease chapter. Please read thoroughly. Don't leave any questions from the current electricity. It is too much easy. There is no like tough questions here. But when we come to third chapter, we can say easily that for board exam we will be having the perfect numerical questions from this chapter. So you can read it all 2 marks, 3 marks questions also, but 5 marks numerical questions is guarantee from this chapter, so don't leave this. So here also for what we like a numerical question, I mean NCRT other publications also you choose. MCQs questions will be easy for NEET exams also from this chapter. Easy means when you understand the concepts it will be easy. There is no like a more clumsiness, I can't do this, that is not there here. It is a simple, so please go through this chapter while you are reading with NEET exam. Don't miss this chapter. So next we move on to the moving charges and magnetism. So here I'll guarantee, I'll assure you 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks. All these means you will be having these questions. Compulsory you have to read moving charges and magnetism. Don't leave this. If you read this chapter you will be getting 11 marks. Compulsory guarantee 11 marks you will get from this chapter, because in every main you are having these questions, and 5 marks questions you will be having the theory question here. Here also MCQs are easy. So then we come to magnetism and matter. Magnetism and matter we have 1 marks plus 3 marks questions. So 3 marks questions we don't have any 5 marks questions like from here, but 2 marks questions, 3 marks questions are compulsory. Before I said no, we can they can give 2 marks for 3 marks also, 3 questions for 2 marks questions also. There is no like fixed questions, this should be 2 marks, this should be compulsory for 5 marks. So you have to read both of this. So in the 6th chapter EMI, year 1, 2, 3, all these mains also you will be getting the questions, so go with that also. In 7th chapter alternating current, you should read the numericals properly. You are having numericals here, you should read numericals properly. So in the 8th chapter what we have, ray optics, or 8th chapter is not wave optics, actually EM waves. 1 marks, 3 marks questions are guaranteed, I mean 2 marks question. So don't leave this chapter also, this is too much easy. These upcoming chapters, I mean except optics, they may help you a lot in MCQs or 1 marks questions. So don't leave all these questions, okay? Read thoroughly. By here MCQs. When we come to ray optics, 1 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks questions compulsory. Please go thoroughly with the optics. Most of the students won't read the optics chapter. It is too like I am not interested. Means when we come to the optics chapter, we will be having some lab, or we will be completing the syllabus. We will be in the burden, or it may be in the September or October months. So we will be having other works to do that. So we may not concentrate more on the optics chapter. So on the optics chapter is somewhat tough, not tough, somewhat tough. So if you miss this chapter now, you may suffer more in upcoming studies, because for upcoming studies optics is very much important. So don't leave the optics chapter. Dual nature chapter, 1 marks questions are compulsory, 3 marks plus 5 marks questions are important. And one more thing I have to say, that from last these 4 chapters you can read the MCQs too much, because not lengthy MCQs, no confusing MCQs not there here. So you have to read compulsory, you can score here MCQ. No, don't leave any single questions from these chapters for while reading the MCQs. When we come to atoms and nuclei, same 2 marks, 3 marks. When we come to semiconductor, we will be having 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks. All these chapters you have to read compulsory. This is all about physics, and I am thanking you all the people who are subscribed to my channel. I am heartily thanking you. Thank you so much for subscribing Niranjan Kudral YouTube channel. You will be having a very good sessions from these upcoming days. You will be having a very good live, and interesting vlogs also you will be getting from here, and some alterations are also will be doing from now. So editing process will be also changed. So don't miss any vlogs from the Niranjan Kudral YouTube channel. I won't make you have subscribed to my channel means I have to give you something. That is my policy. So I want to make you feel bad. I'll give you assurance. I will give you very good upcoming vlogs. So keep watching Niranjan Kudral YouTube channel, and I'm requesting you to help me with subscribers. Please support me, and please share these vlogs to the uh, all your friends, PUC friends, engineering friends. It may help them a lot. And hereby I am ending the physics live. Next I will meet you in the upcoming vlogs and the upcoming lives. Thank you.